Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your GE remote model and that the target device is powered on. This saves wasted steps. Once done, hold the setup or code search button until the indicator locks, then press the device key, TV, aux, or DVD. Make sure to keep the original device remote handy for testing. If your model uses a numeric code, prepare to enter it now. Otherwise, get ready for auto search where the remote cycles codes while you watch for response. You now perform the core action. Choose auto search or manual code entry. If using auto search, press the device button, then repeatedly tap power or play until the device turns off. Press enter to lock that code. If entering a code, type the 3 or 4-digit number and press setup or enter to save it. Make sure to test essential keys, power, volume, input, because some codes control only basic features. If a function fails, repeat the process, selecting the next code candidate. Finish by saving the code and verifying a full set of functions. Press setup or enter to lock the code and test volume, mute, input, and channel keys. If buttons are mismapped, search additional codes for the same brand or perform a factory reset and start over. Mismapping often means a near-match code was chosen. Make sure to write down the working code for future use, and if nothing responds, double-check batteries, line of sight, and that the remote model supports your device type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.